Righto, you can see here she bloody, these red clay tracks can get real slippery. So you just take it nice and easy around the corners. A lot of people driving with their lights off too, guys. If you come up here, put your bloody lights on. Just helps you. Here we go, she's a bit chopped up here. Hey. Yeah, nice and steady. You don't want to be sliding off here into the table drain on the other side. Not a bad washout there. Remnants of the wet season. Geez, you wouldn't want to hit that. There she is, guys, Eliott Falls. One of the most iconic places up here in Cape York. Look at the water, crystal clear. There's a old tour bus in at the moment. Right, we'll get down and check that water out. Pity it's not a nice sunny day. Bloody wind's off tap and it's overcast, but it still looks very nice.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, put that record on me like, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new life. Fighting the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. Fighting the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool like this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. I can't wait to leave this town. I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down.
Well, we've got a bit of an obstacle here, guys. We've got to get across, I think this is Scrubby Creek. This is part of the old telegraph track now. And the boys down at Fruit Bat warned us. He said, mate, I wouldn't go across Scrubby with a trailer by yourself. And I know what he means. Have a look at this fella. He's got himself in a spot of bother. Yeah, gee whiz. They said there's a big hole on the other side, eh? Whoa. Yeah. He said there's a chicken track. These boys here got, gee whiz, I don't know what they're going to do.
They're not down.
You got your motor running? Yeah. Hey?
This your first time up the track?
Yeah, I'm not doing this stuff, mate. I'm just going to the hall.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
I'll bring it up for you. The operation. We're only on here because of the repairment of Eliott
Yeah, we'll do Elliott Falls and come back this way, I think. I didn't realise.
You by yourself, are you?
Track. No, I've got two people in there.
Oh, right, eh?
Yeah.
You got her on a bit of an angle, mate.
Just try giving it a little squirt now. Yep, out.
That's better.
Down the road. Go the left now.
Nice and slow. Left hand down. Left hand down. You're coming down. That's good. Good work, mate. Well done. There we go. That's it. Beautiful. Left hand down a bit. Left hand. That's it. There you go. Stop there. I reckon you could drive it from there, mate. We'll just pull the winch forward.
Right.
Just see if you can drive her. Yeah, beautiful work. Good work. Give her a bit. Give her a bit. Good work. Yes.
Airing out the car and
Righto, a bit of an adventure getting in here. Nothing too bloody off tap and that, but helped the old mate get out of that bit of a pickle he was in, and he got himself out, but we gave him a hand, and I'm glad we didn't have to go through there with a trail. I'm glad there was a chicken track there through Scrubby Creek. But anyway, this is campsite 31 at Eliott Falls camping area. We haven't seen the falls yet. There's a little walking track to get there. This is 31, I think there's 31 here, and quite a few of them are big enough, as you can see here, for camper trailers. We've just driven in, we're just going to park there, set our camp up, put the bloody walk up hard top up. We're going to put the 270 up, let it, hopefully it can dry out a bit. Anyway, we'll get our camp set up and then we'll go for a walk and probably have another swim at Twin and Eliott Falls. Got a little fire pit over here. I'll tell you what, I'm liking the look of this. Let's get set up, beauty. Well, setup's done. Didn't take too long at all. Geez, it's been windy, guys, eh? Bloody blowing its arse off since the day we left. But anyway, hey, pays to carry a small toolkit. These sidebars are rattling like buggery on the corrugations, and I just gave them a nip up and they were bloody loose, let me tell you. But anyway, setup done. Walk up hard top, airing out. She's a bit wet this morning on pack up, so it'd be good to dry it out. 270 up again. We weren't going to, and we thought, oh bugger it, we got the room and we got the time, let's do it. Nice easy setup. Got the drifter kitchen out. What's for dinner tonight, Roz?
Nachos.
Nachos. You beauty. We'll do the nachos up. We're going to go and go for a walk in a minute. Might have a quick brew and go down and check Elliott and Twin Falls out and have a swim. Righto, beauty. There's our setup. You can see there's 39, I think, different campsites here at Eliott Falls. As I said, some for camper trailers, some for if you just got your four-wheel drive, but they're nice and private, eh, Roz? They're beauties. Like, it's not like you're on top of each other. Plenty of room, really nice bush setting. Anyway, walking track to the falls. Let's go and check them out. This is the first time I've seen these one. I've been to Fruit Bat before, guys, but this is the first time for me seeing Twin and Eliott Falls. Can't wait. Fair little hike from the camping area, but it's all nice boardwalk and that through the scrub. Hey, here we go. As I said, this is the first for me. I've bloody never been here. Oh wow. All right, let's go and have a look. Ooh, looks nice. All flowing over sandstone. Oh, look at that. That must be Twin Falls, eh? I should have been a rocket scientist. Fair dinkum. Beauty. What have we got over this way? I've got to find the one where you can jump off. I'm not sure which one that is. Oh, look at that. Beauty. Not bad, Roz, eh? Bloody beautiful. There's that, guys, in the middle of bloody nowhere, and you come across this. Absolutely pristine. Have a look at that, guys. Absolutely bloody beautiful, isn't it? Haha. Up there. Righto, she's nice and deep there. I might do a bombing in a minute. I'll go walk up there and have a look down there. getting too old for this shit. I jumped off alright, and you can't get out. You got to swim down through the bloody rapids here, and I smashed my leg into a rock. I tell you what, it feels like I've got the biggest dead leg in the world. But anyway, I got out finally. That's what did the damage, coming down through there. You absolutely fly, and I've bloody KO'd me leg and knee on one of those rocks in there. Holy shit. Feels like you're flying. Not quite sure why they call it twin falls. There's more than bloody two. 1, 2, there's another one down there, it's 3. And then you've got the main one there. The quadruple falls. Not a bad little spot, Rozzy. Right, Rozzy, what's cooking in the drifter kitchen?
Nachos tonight.
Nachos, how are we going to do them?
Well, I'm cooking the mince on here.
Yes.
Right. And then you're taking it over there, aren't you, at the corn chips?
We're going to use
put the lid on.
We're going to use the camp oven as an oven. We'll put the nachos in a foil tray, and then we'll bloody melt the cheese and everything over the charcoal. We'll see if it works. Righto, nachos are underway. I'm going to do a layer of corn chips, some mince over the top, another layer of corn chips, and then we'll put some cheese and salsa, and then we'll bloody see if this works. It should. Got the charcoal going on the Snow Peak fire pit. I'm going to use, oh yeah, that's nice and warm. And we'll put one under there and use it as an oven. Ooh, looking good. I'm feeling confident. That taco mince, guys, all it is an onion, some mince, red kidney beans, bit of taco seasoning. What else, Roz? Can of peeled tomatoes, eh?
Tomatoes,
Yeah. There's your taco mince. Oh, geez, I'm hungry. It smells good. Righto, here we go. Bring one over, Roz. The old bloody poker on there over the charcoal. Straight over. We'll give that, I don't know, 5 minutes or so, just to melt the cheese, and the mince is already cooked, so all we got to do is melt the cheese, and then we'll throw some sour cream on, guacamole, what else? Shallots, and then we'll be bloody hooking into it. You beauty. Righto, first one will be done. Oh, look at that. Bloody beauty, cheese is melted. I'll bring the other one over, eh? On he goes. Oven. 5 minutes, not even that. And we'll bloody be hooking in. Righto, second one coming off. Oh, you beauty. Check that out. Oh, on with the good stuff, and we'll get into it. There you go, bit of avo on. Some sour cream, there's mine finished, guys, look at that. Can't wait to hook in. Eating like kings at the top of Australia. Pretty easy to do. I'll tell you what I forgot, the bloody Tabasco sauce, Roz. Oh, I don't know. Can't beat the Tabasco. A few shallots. Look at that, guys. A meal fit for a king. Righto, time to get into it. There you go. Taste test. That's as good as you'd eat at home. What do you reckon, Ross? Bloody beautiful. tell you, the wind's off tap at the moment. It's been blowing since we left home, Roz, hasn't it? All up the east coast of Australia, or Queensland I should say, is just blowing a gale. It's just ridiculous. But anyway, as long as the rain stays away, we can deal with the wind. Everything seems to be coping okay. But anyway, time to hook into our dinner. We'll get this on, we'll throw a bit of wood on the charcoal, and we might sit around the fire and have a red wine and sit back and relax and enjoy the night. That's what it's all about, eh? Alright, see you tomorrow. Hey folks, no coverage here at Eliott Falls. So we've got the old satellite phone. We've got the prepaid one, we just put $99 on it. Gives us 50 credits. And it's just in case of an emergency. Just locking onto the satellites now. So Roz is just going to send a couple of text messages, the old style text message. And just to her son and that, and just to let everyone know we're okay. We're out of coverage, everything's going good. Just to keep all the family members at home, in case they're worried about us. So it certainly pays to have a satellite phone when you're in remote areas, eh? Right, should be locking on any minute now, and we'll send a text, eh?